on Lex Factory. Foshan Jing Haotai. Elsa. Is that Elsa there? Hello? Hello, Elsa.
Actually, it's Elsie.
Elsie, oh, sorry. Because every small children like Elsa. For me, in my mind is Elsa. Thank you. Nice to see you, Elsie. Yeah. I'm Helen. Yeah. Can you open the speaker? Not very clear.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me introduce our
Elsie. Yeah, Elsie. Nice to see you. I'm Helen. Yeah.
Hi, Helen.
Yeah.
Our factory in Haotai design and produce the lighting accessories, and our main product series including the lighting check system for check light housing kits, and check system for shell kits. First, I will introduce lighting check system for check light. When you see this product, this one,
Yeah,
this one, and this one, do you know its application or how to use it?
I know. Of course, I know. The first one is the check, and the second one and the third one is the adapter.
Wow, you know it very well.
Yeah, of course. I know the commercial lighting very well.
Okay, and first I will introduce the two wires check well. You can see, maybe you can see here. Actually, there is two copper wires here.
Yeah, two line. Yeah, two line.
One is the live wires, and another is for neutral wires. So this track is for single circuits. Yeah, and this one I showed this is the surface mounted and could be installed on the surface of ceiling or other surface directly. And also we have the recessed one. It could be recessed in the ceiling. This part can be hidden in the ceiling, so it is not easy to notice after installation for this check rail. And to match with the two-wire check rail, we have the two wires accessories to connect the check and check lighting. I showed before the adapter or the driver box. This one is very popular. Many customers love this look. And pay attention to the switch. This switch, it can help to install on the check. Let me show you. With the switch to install on the check. And another adapter we have is like this one. This one, if you use the heavy check light, we suggest you to use this one to handle check lights. And this one is the square type. It's very small. And this one is also very popular too. And next for the driver box. There are different sizes for the driver. So we design the big driver box and a smaller one to make different size of the driver. I think with the basic information of two-wire check system, it is more easier to understand what is three wires check system and four wires check system. Yeah. This is the three wires check system. Three wire. Yes. One live wires, one neutral wires, and one ground wires. It is also for the single circuits. Just like two wires check system, we also have the recessed one to recess in the ceiling. And here are some check adapter for the three wires check system. We have this one.
Yeah, the connector.
There is a switch. And also this one, the square type. and take a look at this. It's very flat and small. It's compared to the track adapter.
我这里显示已经改过来了。
Invisible.
Sorry, other one.
And here comes to the 4 wires track system. Here, 4 copper wires. They are
4 wire.
Yeah, 4 wires. And 3 live wires, 1 neutral wires. And here, this is the ground wires.
The ground wire.
Yeah. So it's 3 circuits. It's for 3 circuits. That means in this track system, the lamps can be divided into 3 circuits to control. It is mainly used in European markets. This is the square type. And we also have the round type. This is round type. And also this is the recessed one. Because there are 3 circuits to control, the adapter for 4 wires track system have a switch to choose the circuits. Actually, there is some marks on the switch to show which circuits to choose.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. You can choose it. And in addition to this type, and we also have another kind for choice, which is here. The mark is on this side and with a narrow to show which circuits to choose. And as I showed before, we produce these parts, and we also produce these parts. But it's not a track light, not the finished track light. What I mean is the housing kits.
Housing kit.
Yeah.
The fixture.
Yeah. You can put the COB here and the driver here to finish a track light.
So you do you mean that you sell some of them to by SKD?
Yes, SKD. And here I show you this like this. This part we made. This part we made. And we have some technique to make these housing kits. One of the technique is the code forging. Code forging. This is the machine. This is the machine to apply the technique of code forging. This track light housing is we use the code forging to make. The feature of this technique is to make the housing with good heat dispersion. So the size of the housing can be designed in smaller one. And another housing I want to share is this one.
Oh, the first time I see this fixture.
I show you some projects using this kind of housing kits, like this one.
Oh, the right angle.
Yeah, the wide angle is up to 1020 degrees. Is very big because if a project lighting on the large item, such as this item, you can see the comparison. The spotlighting here, the area is very small, but with this housing kit, the lighting area is larger.
Larger angle, large beam angle, yeah. Yeah,
that's why we long, because you can see that if the lighting area is small, it's not enough. So customer will need larger the lighting area.
Yeah, we can see it.
Why we love this product. And next one, I want to show you the track system for the showcase. Wait, I'm going to show you the showcase.
Okay.
Here?
Yeah.
This one. This one. Actually, the check system for showcase is about the wire organization. It's an upgraded solution for the LED bar of the showcase.
Oh, this is for the showcase.
Yes.
For the supermarket. Yeah.
Yes. This one.
Very
This one
slim.
is the connector to input the power.
Mhm.
Connect to the driver to power to the this check system, and this connector to power the LED bar.
Yeah.
It's very easy. It's very easy to turn off. Just switch it and remove the LED bar. Is very easy.
Oh, very easy.
Yeah.
How is it low voltage? Is that right?
Yes, it's low voltage.
Yeah, it will be safety.
Yes. If without this track system, usually there is a long wire connect to the driver, and here long wire, many long wires will easy to mix together, and it's annoying. So we launched this track system to avoid this problem.
Great.
Yes, and here is the magnetic check system, and this check
now
system
it's very popular for the magnetic track.
Yes, yes, we launched it. We launched it recently, and we will show the whole system on the fair.
Great. We want to see your new product on the in fair for the magnetic track system. Yeah.
And we will welcome all of you to visit our booth to see more products.
I will learn from you.
And that's all.
Oh, okay. And because just now you say that some lighting fixture is SKD. So what about your main market for the SKD products?
Main markets, domestic markets or some European customer will ask us to do OEM or ODM.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And now, as we know, the material is going higher and higher.
Yes, yes.
So the track, most of the material is the track. Most of the material is the aluminum.
Yes.
So the price will be, I think, will be going up and up. Is that right?
Yes, yes.
It's difficult to make the quotation now. Yeah, and also the material going up and the IMB rate is also going up. Oh, yes. So it's difficult to.
It's tough time now.
Tough time now. Yeah. So, we try, and to overtake this, to overcome it. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Elsie, thank you very much. And we want to see your new product in the fair. And maybe next factory tour, and we will be together again. Okay.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you for joining this event. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye bye.